Hello, and welcome to the California CCW training program provided by Safe Insight. Once you decide to register, you will receive a download. The download will look like this document here. And you'll notice that it'll have a link to your California CCW Smart Form. You can click either on the direct hyperlink or on the image above. Either one will take you to the Safe Insight California CCW training page. Here you will find the CCW Smart Form. You simply complete your training by filling out the questions to this Smart Form. It will start by asking if you've completed a waiver of liability. If you click No, it pops up a button which, when clicked, will direct you to a waiver of liability that you can fill out. Once you've completed your waiver of liability, you would obviously click Yes. It will then ask you what type of CCW you are doing. If it's a modification, it will take you directly to your hands-on training and qualification page. If it's a renewal or an initial CCW, will ask if you have already completed all required videos and quizzes. If the answer is no, or you're not sure, click No, and it will take you to a button that has the training page. Now notice if you go to the renewal, it will take you to the renewal page, so it will take you to the appropriate training page for your needs. If you have already completed all the online training, click Yes. It will then ask about your CCW written test. If you need to take it, click No, and it will ask if you have taken the written test and provide a prompt for you to do it. Now notice, you must score 90% or better to be eligible for a CCW certificate. That's because all of the questions on the written test have previously been covered in the training videos and quizzes that you will go through. This means that you have correctly answered the quizzes at some point. Therefore, you should know the answers to the written test. Most of our students pass the written test on their first attempt, but if you don't, you will still complete your CCW written test, click that you have completed it, and it will ask, did you receive a passing score of 90% or better? If the answer is no, you will be prompted to take the test again, either attempt 2 or 3. If you did get 90% or better, you will move on. You will have the chance to schedule your instruction, your hands-on qualification. You will also have a chance to print out your qualification sheets. And finally, it will ask about successfully completing your qualification. If you click No, it will not allow you to move on. If you click Yes, it will ask you for the date of your qualification along with your name and a good email address for you. Now you'll notice when you click on the Request Certificate button, you're not done because it says there are errors on the form, please fix them. Prior to submitting this form, you will need to check this box that indicates I understand that any misrepresentation of my answers to the questions below may be grounds for termination of my training with no refund. Also note that all training must be completed within 90 days of your registration. Once you go down and click Request Certificate, you will be directed to the Certificate Request page. Here, you will fill out all of the information that is applicable, including the firearm type that you want listed, serial number, make, and caliber. You'll also notice that you have a chance to get either just a California CCW, or you may combine and add on a multi-state CCW for an additional fee. Once you click on all this information and do Submit, you will receive your certificate within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing Safe Insight. We hope that you find this program to be a valuable one.